Hi there, my name is Tim from Saint, and in this video I will quickly show you how you can use some of the AI templates that I have prepared in Notion. In this instance I'll be using the expert generator, and I'll show you how to read kind of the color coding in the template and how to put it into the OpenAI GPT-3 playground. And I'm assuming that you've already set up the account, and then you should choose the free account, and then you should end up here. And if you follow the link in the comments below, in my newsletter and the article, you'll end up either on this page, a Notion page, or directly in here, for example, the expert generator. But so as you see, there's other templates here. But if we go to expert generator, if you scroll down, here are some instructions, so you can ignore those. So basically the template starts from here. And as you see here, this is a yellow marked part, which means that's where you need to put something. In this case, that's where you put the question that you want to ask the expert. So and then you copy it from the beginning of the template, so from here until the first orange block, which is this one, and you copy that into the AI here, or into the playground here, and then here you put in your question. So in this case, let's say my question is how to best train for a marathon. I don't know, I'll just put something for a marathon. And then this says, okay, you know, if you have that question, who's the best, what kind of characteristics should an expert have to answer that question? So then you click submit, and then you'll see the AI generates this in running for him to complete a marathon. I mean, it's very obvious, but it's an example. So, but then what you do, this information we don't want, so we delete this, and then you go back to the next part, and so you take this. The AI output is basically here; it's already there, so we can delete this because that's the green part. And then it says, okay, the expert indicated B and has found the most correct and the name displayed on the screen. So that's the, as you can see here from template, that's the second prompt, or the second part where we want to prompt the AI. So we put the cursor here, and then we click submit, and then it comes up with a name. So it says, okay, the best person to ask is this, an ultra marathon runner. He gives all kinds of details, but we don't want that. We just want to have the name of that person. So when it's done, we delete all that. We just leave this, the name of the person, maybe who they are, and then we take this part of the template. Again, the green part we kind of already have, so we can delete this, and then we say, okay, I was ready to ask my question. This is a yellow one. It means here we need to put the name. So we copy this name in there, the name that it gave us. We put the name here, and then we put our question there. So I said Yanis Kouros. I said, what is the best way to train for my? And now again we put it at the end, and as you see here, that matched the template the third time that we submit the AI, that we ask the AI to start, and then it will render the answer to our question. So this is how to read these templates, and they're all formatted in this way. So every time where there's an orange block, you only take the text before that. Where there's something yellow, you put it in, and where there's green, you check what output the AI gave, and you leave the most relevant thing there. Then you take the next part until the next orange block, and etc. So this is how you fill out these templates. I hope that's useful, and if you have any feedback or questions about the templates, please do put them in the comments below the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.